In this video, I want to talk to you about oil. Now we have two different oils. We have regular oil and water-soluble oil, which basically goes with any beverages, hot or cold. It can go in food, salad, it can go under your tongue, and it can actually be vaped. And there's regular oil, which is basically used sublingually only. It goes under your tongue for about 30 to 60 seconds, and then you swallow. Now the reason why you would take 30 to 60 seconds under your tongue is because your tongue, or under your tongue, there's a lot of capillaries. And while the oil is there, it allows it to enter the bloodstream through the capillaries under your tongue much faster. And what ends up happening is, because it doesn't go through your digestive system, or at least not all of it, because after you swallow some of it would, the part that goes into your blood through the capillaries under your tongue actually starts to take effect pretty fast. It also doesn't last as long in your system, such as the edibles like honey, because it takes longer to go through the process of digestion and then basically stays there longer because of the way that it enters the system. This one takes effect faster but lasts a little less. Now the serving for our oil, at least our recommended serving, is 1 dropper or 1 milligram. Now we happen to have dividers right here on this dropper, so you can easily measure the exact amount that you may want to take or test. And again, in our case, we recommend 1 dropper as 1 serving. And what you would do is literally take this full dropper, put it under your tongue. Now I'll spare you me holding the oil under the tongue for 30 to 60 seconds. So once I held it there for that length of time, you just swallow it. And then after that, it basically starts to take effect. Now, again, depending on your situation, you may want to take less or more. And also, depending on your situation, you may want to take full strength or extra strength or maximum strength. And again, all that information is explained in other videos, such as the dosage video or other articles that we have in our website that you can take a look. But as far as the oil, just like honey, it's made with whole plant CBD oil. And because it's made with whole plant CBD oil, it basically has all the cannabinoids that come with the whole plant, not just CBD, but there's over 100 of them. And that gives it much more potency, much more strength, and of course, much more effectiveness. The one way that you can see that it's made from hemp oil is the fact that it's green and smells hempy, which is actually a great thing. In my case, I like that. So this is what Hemp Me CBD oil is all about. There's very few ingredients, and they are whole plant CBD oil, MCT coconut oil, sunflower lecithin oil. That's it. It's non-GMO, gluten-free, and vegan. It's 100% natural, and our customers rave about it. Give it a try with our 365-day, 100% money-back guarantee policy that comes with every product. You have literally nothing to risk. So give it a try. I think you'll love this product, and I'll see you soon.